Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to yet another video. And today, I got a story time for y'all about this thing right here. Alright, so let's get into story time. I actually took this thing for a test drive, and I will try to go film it, and my GoPro was just dead. I didn't want to really charge it and come back and yada yada, whatever. So I took this thing for a test drive. Long story short, it felt okay driving, but it overheated. None of my gauges work on the inside, so I couldn't really tell, but the temps got to like 220, which I do not like. Yeah, and I couldn't restart the car. I thought it was because it was so hot, but turns out the battery's just, I guess, dying. I'm gonna test the battery out today. That's what we're gonna be doing. I ordered a couple things to try to figure out why this thing is overheating. If you don't know Corvettes, all Corvettes have a piece under here, like right here, that help catch the air since the grill in the front is so small, and that's really what keeps it cool while driving. Plus, you know, my radiator shroud doesn't look the best, and I have no seals on the radiator like I'm supposed to. So yeah, could be a couple things. Today we're gonna be figuring this thing out. Whatever. Anyways, let's get into it. All right. So I found my culprit why my battery is not staying charged. It's 11.77. Which means that the alternator is not charging the car. Go over here to the alternator. Yeah, we got a broken wire. Yeah, it looks like the wire is in here. But yeah, it's broken. So that makes sense. That makes sense. I'm gonna shut the car off, and yeah, I'm gonna start working on this wire. Alright, as you can see, I rewired everything. I electrical tape because I don't want it to arc. I don't want these to arc to each other now. I mean, hopefully that was it. I'm gonna turn the car on, turn my voltmeter on. See what we get. Hopefully I didn't blow anything up. There we go. Definitely charging now. So that was our issue why I didn't want to restart before. Still ramping up a little bit. So that's why she didn't want to restart before. It's weird how the little things can cause such big issues. I'm gonna try to get this thing running and driving as soon as possible, and after that, it's game on with this car. I just wanna get this car mechanically straight, and then, yeah, I think I have some ideas. So, but, all right guys, that was a quick, easy fix. Catch you in the next one. Peace.